Begin by finding a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in and breathe out. And again, breathe in deeply, filling your lungs completely, and exhale slowly, releasing all the tension of the day. With every breath, feel your body relaxing, sinking deeper into the chair or the bed beneath you. Notice your feet becoming heavy, your legs relaxing completely, your shoulders and arms releasing any tension they might have been holding on to, directing your body to relax deeply. You're in control. Your whole body. As you continue to breathe, imagine a warm wave of relaxation beginning at the top of your head and gently moving down, down, and down through your entire body. With every exhale, just let go of any stress, any tension, any busy thoughts. Now imagine a gentle light glowing above you, soft and calming. This light represents peace, calm, and clarity. As it surrounds you, feel its warmth washing over you, bringing a sense of safety and serenity, becoming so deeply relaxed that your mind is open and ready to embrace positive change. And as you continue to sink deeper into relaxation, imagine you're standing at the edge of a beautiful forest. And I'll count from 10 down to 1 as you step into this beautiful forest, deepening your relaxation with every number from 10, deep relax down to 9, safe and comfortable down to 8, the air is fresh, 7, the sounds of nature are soothing, 6, deep relaxed, to 5, the sunlight filtering softly through the trees, 4, safe and comfortable down to 3, this forest is your safe place, 2, where only peace and calm exist, 1, stepping onto a winding path where your thoughts become quieter, and step by step your mind becomes clearer, more focused, and at ease. Feel yourself leaving behind all of the noise, all the racing thoughts, as you walk further into this calm and tranquil scene. You're safe and supported and surrounded by peace and a feeling of love. Noticing the colors more vivid and bright, the sounds of nature, the smells in the air, a feeling of oneness. As you stand in the heart of this peaceful forest, imagine you're holding a balloon in your hand. Feel the weight of it in your hand, knowing that it doesn't have to belong to you anymore. That balloon holds all of the racing thoughts. That balloon holds all of the worries and overthinking. Every negative thought is in that balloon, anything that's been weighing on your mind. Feeling the weight of it in your hand, knowing it does not belong to you anymore as you let it go. And as you let it go, it slowly begins to rise. Higher and higher into the sky. It's finding it easier to fly higher and higher into the sky, taking with it all of the thoughts that no longer serve you. Feel the lightness as you let it go, because you are free. And in your mind, say, I release all that no longer serves me. I let go of negative and racing thoughts and welcome calm. I release all that no longer serves me. I let go of overthinking and welcome calm. As the balloon disappears into the distance, smaller and smaller and further away, notice the quiet in your mind, the stillness, the clarity. Now bring your attention to your breath. Each breath in fills you with calm, and each breath out releases any remaining tension. And just like planting seeds in the soil of your mind, seeds that represent positivity, calm, and hope for the future, with each seed, say to yourself, I'm becoming calm, relaxed, and focused. I trust myself and my decisions in life. My future is filled with opportunity and joy. Visualize those seeds sprouting and growing in this beautiful garden. Flowering, every plant and flower representing positive thoughts blooming, emotions and experiences that you're creating. Now imagine walking along a path that leads you towards your future. A path forward to a positive future, because the past is behind you. When you walk forward with a lightness and confidence, see yourself in the future, calm and content. You're smiling, embracing the challenges of life with ease and grace. Your future is bright, full of love and peace, fulfillment. and say to yourself, the past is behind me, and I look forward with hope and optimism. The past is behind me, and I look forward with hope and optimism. I am the creator of my positive future. I am the creator of my positive future. I deserve peace, joy, love, and success. I deserve peace, joy, love, and success. Feel the excitement and possibility of your future that you're building step by step with every choice and every thought. And as you prepare to return to the present moment, take a moment to appreciate how calm, light, centered, and positive you feel. You're in control of your thoughts. You're in control of your emotions. You're in control of your future. As you take a deep breath in and out, I'll count 1 to 10, and at the count of 10 you can open your eyes wide awake, refreshed and energized. So ready, 1, 2, and 3. Beginning to waken up. 4 and 5, feeling the room around you. 5 and 6, some movement back to your body. 6, 7, 8, 9, and open your eyes. 10, wide awake, bringing calm and positivity into your day. Wide awake all the way back.